Yo, this shit is mad fucked up, bro. Look at that fucking dude over there in that little car. Yo, my shit's mad close, for real. Let's go this way. Ay, carajo, mierda, es muy fucking... hace frío. Look at this dude's fucking window over here. Mira la ventana allá.
Oh my goodness.
That dude's window is more is real fucked it up. That dude's got snow in his fucking apartment, man. That shit's fucked it up, bro. Come over here.
What do you think? Should we keep checking it out?
Huh? You out of your fucking mind, girl. This shit's mad cold. Look at. Pull down my motherfucking sleeve over here.
No, what
Pull down my motherfucking sleeve.
What happened, Zeus?
I don't know. This is some cheap ass shit. Where'd you get this shit, man? Fucking Target? Fucking cheapskate, bitch.
I can't fix it, sorry.
Open the door.
Okay.
Let me get it. I got these, motherfuckers.
Oh, thank you.
Open it.
Oh, okay.